The workings of the Taxation Department seem complex when you're new to them, but in action, they're basically simple. If you haven't been here long, you might find this hard to believe, but you will find it true. Taxes are charges on people, property or business for the benefit of the whole country, all of us. Every government in the world uses taxes to pay for its services, pensions, health, education, and so on. The Commonwealth Government imposes taxes, and it's our job to find out what amounts have to be paid and collect them. Let's look at one tax most of us know about, income tax. Cashier's section, mailroom. Records section. Alphabetical ordering.
Salvetti S, McMeekin M, Lawrence L, Carr C, McCready M, Garrett G, Lester L, Smith S, Knox K, Jones J, Cotton C, May M.
The index, where every taxpayer's name is recorded with its file number. A single tax return is one in millions, but to the man or woman making the return, it is all important. Every year, the same file number is marked on the taxpayer's return.
W, GM 3053, May VF, JM 6541.
Markings.
Returns are on the move, but every move is recorded. So any return, any file can be located wherever it is in the office.
File number BA1764 in letters.
79 returns in bundle.
Lot 31, ready for on movement.
Assessing section.
Assessing F.
Every time an assessor takes a bundle of returns, there is a signature to mark its move. There are 6 divisions to deal with returns from wage earners, business and professional, farmers, partnerships, trusts and companies. The assessor builds in his mind some sort of character for the taxpayer. Male, white-collar worker, married, family of 2, with his own house. A return may show $1 million or a few, but the few are as important to the taxpayer as the million. There are no unimportant returns. Issue section. Information, from the assessed return to paper tape.
Batch number 60, bundle 135.
To computers. Information, from paper tape to magnetic tape. Information, from magnetic tape, calculated and typed in a notice of tax to pay or a refund check.
Security area. Please sign when entering and leaving.
Issue section, check bursting.
Scan check, envelope, seal, dispatch. Vivian F. May, assessment number 2623971.
Mail for 28 July, balanced.
Ready for dispatch.
Taxpayers who do not receive refunds and have to pay tax receive assessment notices advising amounts payable. Copies of the assessment notices go to Ledgers section as records of amounts owing. In outline, that is how a salary and wage tax return moves through the office. There are returns for other types of income: property, company, partnership and trust, primary producer, business and professional. And there are other taxes. Sales tax. Sales tax is what it says, a tax on the sale of goods. Different goods are taxed at different rates. Some are not taxed at all. The taxpayer makes his return and pays his tax monthly. Payroll tax is paid by employers on wages paid when the total for the year is more than the stated minimum. Estate duty is assessed on the estates of deceased persons.
470 estate and gift duty.
Gift duty. In some circumstances, gifts over a certain value may be liable for duty. Then there are the non-revenue taxes, charges on industry for the benefit of those industries. Wool tax, tobacco charge, fruit canning charge, stevedoring industry charge. This is the field the Taxation Office covers Australia-wide. Every field of taxation has its own problems and its own procedures to solve those problems. We need experts in every field.
If I want to be an assessor, will I have to study some course?
Yes, you must have qualifications. Remember, this is work for experts with high technical knowledge.
Yes, I know this is a management problem for us, but we've got to remember the need to give service to taxpayers. This is something...
As a deduction under Section 51 of this Act incurred by him.
Yes, Jan. You'll notice that the important point is that the...
Investigation section. The work goes past paper and desk into the field.
Establishing basis of assessment.
Evaluating tax avoidance scheme.
Costing buildings and plant.
Determining rates of depreciation.
945.
Painting the house belonged to my husband. Is it tax deductible to him?
Yes, it is an allowable deduction.
946.
Under the third schedule, 2.5%.
Yes, an agent's commission is an allowable deduction. I'm surprised they didn't advise you of this.
Yeah. Oh, no, just a moment. I have another one here. That's the wrong one. You sure it is, though?
Yes, it is.
Are they deductible? I would need to check the Act.
Are you really sure about that?
Yes, it is an allowable deduction.
Are you sure
I
it is?
will head this memo instruction to estimates and statistical staff.
Estimates and statistics. The record and estimate of tax yields is part of the advice the Taxation Office gives the government.
Correspondence section. Typing pool.
Wherever you go in taxation, you will need all the knowledge and all the training you can get. It is a field for experts and an expanding field. And if you do find that it's getting on top of you, there are chances to relax. Cashiers. Records. Assessing. issue.